Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Ooh. And that looks quite a ginormous thingy. Let's take a look. Ooh, one box. Well, that's good for my class project, so that I can have a lot of cardboard. That's what teachers want. Okay, let's see what we are getting here. Stainless steel cookware set, stainless steel non-sticky frying pan with healthy PFCA, PFOS, PTFE free. Anyway, it's a non-sticky frying pan with lids, Redmond. Sorry for the noise. We do it nicely. Okay. The packaging is quite strong, actually. Oh, wow. Before everything, let me weigh it. How many pounds it is? How many pounds it is? 8 pounds, 11 ounce. 8 pounds, 12 ounce. Wow. Oh, this is just perfect for my pot size. Oh my goodness. I am missing, this is my husband bought the pot, and I am missing one size, and this is just perfect. Wow, snap on. Good. Let's cross-examine the pot, the lid. There is an air hole. Can you see it? Oh. Wow, the packaging. Oh, this is a small one. Oh, I love it. I do not want to. Ooh, this is a good funny thingy. I do not. Oh, wow. Wow, look at it. Oh, there is. And this one is induction compatible. It can work on induction surface. That is good. So this will be for some making some sauce, caramel sauce, reduction, réduit, caramel sauce. I'm sorry, caramel, caramel. Yeah, 这个。 This is the large pot, and this is the large one. Let's see, it goes well with oh yeah, so it can stir fry, but since it's for induction cooking, so the bottom is larger for grill and stuff. We will try it one time. That's it. Let's measure the weight of it, just in case if it needs to be shipped out. Let's see the weight of it. 4 pounds. Wow. Wow. It's quite heavy. Look at it. It's beautiful, isn't it? I like this. The finish looks so... Oh, we can do a close-up. Let me do a close-up. Are we ready for the fun part? Close-up, macro lens. Oh, whoa. Are we in the right zoom? No, I need some light here. Give me 1 minute. Okay, let me do it. Sorry. Let me do it this way. Raise up. Oh, wow. Oh, look at it. Wow. That is industry. Oh, whoa. 6 times, 4 times magnified. This is not optical magnification. It's a digital magnification, so not so good. Oh, whoa. See the brush, the metal brush. We can take the opportunity to see this side, the connection. That's quite serious cross examination. Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, this side we can see. Wow. What is that? That's a piece of dust from the packaging. Yeah, from the packaging. Oh, whoa. Whoa. That is it. Isn't it fun? Okay, that's about it. And we will do a stir fry or bacon or chicken or whatever. Oh, sorry, I don't mean it. I mean, I'm sorry, the vegetarian friends. I mean, we can do some fried non-egg and grilled no bacon豆腐slice and barbecue prime bean, barbecue prime bean, and grilled 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 asperge, grilled asperge, and aubergine, grilled aubergine, yeah, things like that. Eggplant, yes, and that's it. Bye bye, friends. For now, I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, friends.